At this hour, the Orbit 2 team of flight controllers on console preparing to act in a several-step fashion to bolt the SpaceX Dragon cargo craft into place on the Earth-facing port of the Harmony module of the International Space Station. You're looking at Dragon as we are just minutes away from the point at which we will be in the ready-to-latch position. That will be the precursor to the bolting of Dragon in place. A stair-step fashion in which 4 gangs of 4 bolts apiece, 16 bolts in all, will be commanded to drive Dragon into a first stage capture, then a second stage capture to form a hard mate to that port to which Dragon will spend the next month attached to. Operating the station's robotic arm, the robotics officer here in Mission Control is moving very slowly, very carefully, to ease the Dragon into the ready-to-latch position, as it is called. Once that is accomplished, then we will begin to see the bolting of the Dragon take place. Again, 4 gangs of 4 bolts apiece, some 16 bolts that will be commanded to drive the Dragon into a hard mate to the International Space Station.
Use the station 2 for CBM. All latch capture switches are open, and you go for SSRMS mode to limp.
Houston copies. Loading to limp in work.
That call by Commander Tim Peake, indicating that the station's robotic arm will now be placed in the so-called limp mode, so that no uncommanded motion of the arm would interfere with the initiation of the bolting of Dragon to the Earth-facing port of the Harmony module. First stage capture now complete. Standing by for second stage capture.
Complete. Go for second stage capture.
Copy that. Picking up at 5.2.
Houston copies and concurs. To reconfigure, if you could repeat the command sequence in step 5.2, starting with the command capture to 130 degrees and execute.
Okay, I'll start from the top of 5.2.
This is Mission Control Houston, and there is a signature shot that illustrates the cargo vehicle activity that has taken place at the International Space Station. On the left, the newly attached SpaceX Dragon cargo vehicle that just arrived at the station today. And on the right side of your screen, you're looking with the solar arrays, those ultra-flex solar arrays, at the Orbital ATK Cygnus cargo craft that arrived on March 26th. So with that, we'll wrap up our coverage for today. Dragon now bolted to the International Space Station, having been captured at 6:23 a.m. Central Time and bolted into place with second stage capture confirmed at 8:57 a.m. Central Time.